In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. What is the importance of carbon? Carbon is very important element in the skeleton of life. Carbon forms many organic compounds which are present in living bodies. It has a central position in skeleton of life. Proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, these are the organic compounds which are present in living bodies. In these complex organic compounds, in these macromolecules, carbon is a basic element. The valency of carbon is 4, yani it is a tetravalent. It can react with 4 other elements forming covalent bonds. CC bond is very stable bond. Carbon is a basic element in organic compounds. Second point is it has a central position in skeleton of life. It has a central position in skeleton of life. Carbon is a tetravalent element as it can react with 4 other elements. Carbon is a tetravalent element because it can react with 4 other elements and forms covalent bond. जब कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड के जरिए हाइड्रोजन एटम के साथ मिलती है तो एक टेट्राहेड्रॉन शक्ल वजूद में आती है, 4 कोनों वाली स्ट्रक्चर बनती है. दिस इज द टेट्राहेड्रॉन. टेट्राहेड्रॉन. Carbon forms stable chains and rings. Carbon forms stable chains and rings. Carbon can combine with carbon can combine with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. जब कार्बन हाइड्रोजन से मिलती है यानी CH बॉन्ड बनता है, इट इज अ पोटेंशियल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. CH bond is a potential source of energy। इसी तरीके से CO bond give stability to organic compound। CO bond provides stability to organic compounds। इसी तरीके से CN बॉन्ड यानी पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, जब अमाइनो एसिड्स आपस में कंबाइन होते हैं और प्रोटीन्स बनती हैं, पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन बनती है, तो फिर ये अमाइनो एसिड CN बॉन्ड के जरिए लिंक होते हैं, यानी पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड के जरिए लिंक होते हैं। CN bond is present in protein। Is present in proteins। So we can say that carbon element is a basic element which is present in organic compounds। These organic compounds make the bodies of the living organisms। The structures of the cells are also made up of these specific type of the organic compounds, and so carbon is a basic element for these organic compounds which make the various structures of the cell।